Hello friends, today I am going to share with you a Vachana of Shivasharana Dakkeya Bommanna. I have chosen this Vachana because it is about the gender equality and the rights of the women in marriage institution. So first let us know about the meaning of Shivasharana. Shivasharanas were progressive thinkers or revolutionary people who lived in Karnataka in 12th century. Basavanna was their leader, so Shivasharanas were ahead of their times. They preached, they preached and practiced the gender equality. They said God is one, knowledge is God, all are equal in front of God. They opposed caste discrimination and they said work is worship and they gave dignity to labor. Now about Dakkeya Bommanna. He was a drummer by profession. He was a lower caste man. Shivasharanas followed Lingayat religion in that people of all castes have participated. Men and women participated with equal dignity. There many women poetess wrote vachanas. Now I have chosen the poem of Dakkeya Bommanna. Dakkeya Bommanna because it is very special. Means it is about it raises the question about the patriarchal system in India. So in the first, it is in Kannada language. The first line says that in our society it is expected that only women has to be, men can judge women but women can't judge men. Means husband has the right to find fault with the wife but wife can't find fault with the husband. Second line says that if husband is having any ailments, wife has to adjust. But if wife has ailments, does husband adjust with her? Husband also has to adjust with her. In the third line says that husband and wife are the two eyes of a marriage institution. Because if one harasses the other person, then the marriage it will get disturbed. So Shivasarana say that the much respect a woman gives to husband also has to take care of wife. So now I will explain this vachana. ಸತಿಯ ಗುಣ ಪತಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕೆಲ್ಲದೆ ಪತಿಯ ಗುಣವ ಸತಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದೇ ಎಂಬರು. In our society it's said husband has the right to find faults of his wife, but why society doesn't tell that even husband is wrong? Second line, ಸತಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದ ಸೋಂಕು ಪತಿಗೆ ಕೇಡಲ್ಲವೇ ಪತಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದ ಸೋಂಕು ಸತಿಯ ಕೇಡಲ್ಲವೇ. If wife gets disease or chronic ailments, husband abandons her, but wife can't abandon husband if he falls sick. A woman takes off her husband as child if he falls sick, but normally we find that husband don't take care of their wives. Infection or disease from wife is harmful to husband. Isn't husband's infection or disease is harmful to wife? Third line, see, ಒಂದಂಗದ ಕಣ್ಣು ಉಭಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹಿಂಗಲಿಕೆ ಭಂಗವಾರಿಗೆಂಬುದು ತಿಳಿದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಕಾಲಾಂತರ ಭೀಮೇಶ್ವರ ಲಿಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಲೆ ಸಂದಿತ್ತು. Husband and wife are like two eyes of one sacred institution of marriage. If one eye shrinks or gets damaged, then it is damage for the whole body because two eyes are inseparable from the body. Our society needs to be more gender equal in marriage. If any one of the partner is harassed, then their marriage suffers and so their children. Both has to understand their responsibility, then the endless God Kalantaka Bhimeshwara Linga becomes happy. So Dakkeya Bommanna's pen name was Kalantaka Bhimeshwara Linga. Friends, I am not a professional translator. I want to share with the good gems of Indian literature with you people, So if you like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.